In the realm of natural language processing, NLP, custom translation models are pivotal for tailoring translations to specific domains, industries, or even company specific jargon. Unlike generic translation models, custom models are trained on specialized datasets, ensuring higher accuracy and relevance. This presentation will guide you through the comprehensive process of implementing custom translation models, from initial training to continuous improvement and eventual publishing. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create, refine, and deploy a translation model that meets your unique needs. Custom translation involves creating a machine learning model that translates text from one language to another, tailored to specific requirements. This is particularly useful for industries with specialized terminology, such as legal, medical, or technical fields. By training a model on domain-specific data, you can achieve translations that are more accurate and contextually appropriate than those produced by generic models. The process involves several stages, including data collection, model training, evaluation, and deployment. Each stage requires careful planning and execution to ensure the final model meets the desired standards. The first step in implementing a custom translation model is data collection. This involves gathering a large corpus of bilingual text that is representative of the domain you are targeting. The quality and quantity of this data are crucial, as they directly impact the model's performance. Once collected, the data must be cleaned and pre-processed to remove any inconsistencies or errors. This may involve tokenization, normalization, and alignment of parallel texts. Proper data preparation ensures that the model can learn effectively from the training data, leading to better translation quality. Training a custom translation model involves feeding the prepared data into a machine learning algorithm. This process requires selecting an appropriate model architecture, such as transformer or RNN, and configuring hyperparameters like learning rate and batch size. The training phase is computationally intensive and may take several hours or even days, depending on the size of the dataset and the complexity of the model. During training, the model learns to map input sentences in the source language to their corresponding translations in the target language. Regular evaluation on a validation set helps monitor the model's progress and prevent overfitting. After training, the model's performance must be thoroughly evaluated to ensure it meets the desired standards. This involves using metrics such as BLUE, Bilingual Evaluation Understudy score, which measures the similarity between the model's translations and reference translations. Human evaluation is also essential, as it provides insights into the model's ability to handle nuances and context-specific translations. Any identified weaknesses or errors should be addressed by refining the training data or adjusting the model's parameters. Continuous evaluation and iteration are key to developing a high-quality custom translation model. Improving the quality of a custom translation model is an ongoing process. One effective strategy is to incorporate feedback from users and domain experts. This feedback can highlight specific areas where the model's translations are lacking, allowing for targeted improvements. Additionally, augmenting the training data with more examples or higher quality texts can enhance the model's performance. Techniques such as transfer learning, where a pre-trained model is fine-tuned on domain-specific data, can also be beneficial. Regularly updating the model with new data ensures it remains relevant and accurate over time. Edge cases, or rare and unusual translation scenarios, can pose significant challenges for custom translation models. These cases often involve idiomatic expressions, slang, or highly specialized terminology that the model may not have encountered during training. To handle edge cases effectively, it's important to continuously expand and diversify the training dataset. Incorporating user feedback and leveraging domain expertise can also help identify and address these challenging scenarios. By proactively managing edge cases, you can improve the robustness and reliability of your custom translation model. Once the custom translation model has been trained and thoroughly evaluated, the next step is to publish it for use. This involves deploying the model to a production environment where it can be accessed by end users or integrated into applications. Cloud platforms like Azure offer robust infrastructure and tools for deploying machine learning models, ensuring scalability and reliability. It's important to monitor the model's performance in the real world and make any necessary adjustments. Providing clear documentation and support resources can also help users effectively utilize the custom translation model. After publishing the custom translation model, ongoing monitoring and maintenance are crucial to ensure its continued performance and accuracy. This involves tracking key metrics, such as translation quality and response times, and addressing any issues that arise. Regularly updating the model with new data and retraining it can help maintain its relevance and effectiveness. Additionally, user feedback should be actively solicited and incorporated into the model's development cycle. By maintaining a proactive approach to monitoring and maintenance, you can ensure your custom translation model remains a valuable asset. To illustrate the process of implementing a custom translation model, let's consider a case study involving the translation of legal documents. Legal language is highly specialized and requires precise translations to avoid misunderstandings. A custom translation model for this domain would be trained on a large corpus of bilingual legal texts, ensuring it understands the nuances and terminology specific to the legal field. By continuously refining the model based on feedback from legal experts and real-world usage, the translation quality can be significantly improved. This case study highlights the importance of domain-specific data and ongoing improvement in developing effective custom translation models. Implementing custom translation models comes with its own set of challenges. These include data scarcity, computational resource requirements, and the complexity of handling multiple languages. Solutions to these challenges involve leveraging pre-trained models, using cloud-based infrastructure for training and deployment, and actively seeking domain-specific data sources. Collaboration with domain experts can also provide valuable insights and help address specific translation challenges. By understanding and addressing these challenges, you can develop robust and effective custom translation models that meet your specific needs. The field of custom translation is continuously evolving, with new technologies and methodologies emerging regularly. Future trends include the use of advanced neural network architectures, such as transformers, which offer improved translation quality and efficiency. Additionally, the integration of contextual understanding and cultural nuances into translation models is becoming increasingly important. The use of synthetic data and unsupervised learning techniques can also help overcome data scarcity challenges. By staying abreast of these trends and incorporating them into your custom translation efforts, you can ensure your models remain cutting-edge and effective. Implementing custom translation models is a complex but rewarding process that can significantly enhance the accuracy and relevance of translations in specialized domains. By following a structured approach to data collection, model training, evaluation, and continuous improvement, you can develop high-quality translation models tailored to your specific needs. The next steps involve applying these principles to your own projects, leveraging the tools and techniques discussed in this presentation. With dedication and ongoing effort, you can create custom translation models that provide significant value and meet the unique requirements of your domain.